Hello and welcome to another Facts and Dimensions Spotlight dataset. In this video I'm going to cover several schemas, all to do with vaccinations and immunisations. You can see on the screen here the schemas we have so far, and of course new ones will be added in the future, covering things like flu, cover, which stands for cover of vaccination evaluated rapidly, so that's several different vaccinations, human papillomavirus, I think that's how you pronounce it. This one I'm not even going to try and pronounce. PPV, shingles. Child IMS has several. Flu, pertussis, diphtheria, tetanus, polio, all sorts. And if you look at these dates here, I've just written a little script to ask for the minimum and maximum dates that we've got. Some of these data sets, like the cover one, goes all the way back to March 1989, which is pretty spectacular. So you can see that, and the other ones generally go back 5-10 years, so that's really good. So that's these. If I just move on to this one where I've listed all the tables, you can see there's an awful lot there. If you go onto our website, factsanddimensions.co.uk, we do actually have a list of every table, so you can always go there as well. There's the rest of it. You can pause the video to have a look, and the rest, pause the video again to have a look at that, and a couple more. So lots and lots and lots of data. So I'm not going to go through all of them because there's too many and the video will go on too long. But let's get a few going. So just running the procedures to get all the tables added. That'll take a moment. I should also point out that across these tables there's 65,000 rows of data. So let's refresh the list of tables and have a little look at some of them. Okay, if we start with flu, as it is flu season, I guess. So you've got various flu stats there. Let's look at this one, for example, by trust. So you've got by individual trust, all the different numbers of flu doses given and all sorts of things like that. Lots of different statistics. If you just pause the video, you can just have a quick see all that. So various flu ones. Child GP by CCG. Sometimes I don't put the code in the data, so we have to put the name in. But anyway, there you go. I think it's worth pointing out, just showing you the source data, because it's pretty awful. So for these flu ones, there's a few different data sets. I'll just go to this one so you can see this now. They're bringing it out each month during the winter months with the total. So let's have a look at what we've got. So as an example, got various sheets. As you can see, the way it's laid out is just not exactly the nicest. So I'm gonna actually show this one, right. So we were just looking at child GP CCGs. This one here. So in the file, you can see we've got the GP code, the CCG code, which we have added in here because they started adding that in, and the categories. So that's like taken from these headings here. So for example, all 2-year-olds combined, that's that column there, and then the subcategory, so number vaccinated, that's that column there, that cell there, sorry, and then the values which are taken from here. So you get the idea. So that's certainly an added reason why you should use our service, because who wants to actually process this data, really? Let's have a look at a couple other bits that we have as well. Let's see. Human papillomavirus, assuming that's how you pronounce it. Lots of different measures and totals. Meningococcal, similar sort of thing. I will be doing another one on healthcare acquired infections. So that's the sorts of things, illnesses you pick up in hospitals. That's a really useful data set. I'll do another video on that. Yeah, I don't want to make this an extremely long video. I think you got the idea of what's in. To have a really good nose around, ask us for a trial, and you'll get free access for a month, and you can have a play. Thanks very much.